Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help AmaFans Wethu TV get to 40,000 subscribers. AmaFans Wethu TV, this is your boy Sipiwe Yolambata. We are at the airport at OR Tambo. We are about to take a flight now to Durban for the AmaZulu vs Orlando Pirates Nedbank Cup match. It's going to be a tough one. It's going to be a very, very, very entertaining match. We are looking forward to it. So Bafethu, let us know in the comments, who do you think is going to win? Who do you think is going to win? Who's going to go to the semi-finals? Yeah, come with us, Bafethu. And don't forget to subscribe to watch more videos from AmaFans Wethu TV. And also, guys, don't forget to register on netbankcup.co.za to stand a chance to win a share of 5 million rands if your team wins, and 500,000 for your stock fair, Bafethu. Yeah, come with me, chance. Asibangeni Bafethu. Thank you.
Hola.
Where you going?
Yeah, I got Durban, what's it?
You're going to interview people?
Yes, sir.
Hola Bafethu, siThekwini sobona igame yeBucks nakusasa kanjalo sizobe seMpumalanga sovala neChange Colors sibe nathi mathona predict score ke kanjalo siqhubeke kanjalo ngithi Bafethu macha. We are on our way to Durban. Thathung be uphinda uncethe. Let's go Bafethu. Naya iyo hayi kanjani naya siyakuyo
Yini pinky
iyo la sibathatha amakhala vele
pinky. AmaFans Wethu TV, we are inside. We are about to leave now. We are going to Durban. It's going to be a very, 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 very nice match. We are looking forward to it. So, but let us know in the comments who do you think is going to win. And guys, don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe. Help us get to 40k subscribers, Bafethu. Please subscribe.
AmaZulu amanza amancane i-cup game wela Bafethu yawonke umuntu para soqinisa abafana bayathembisa asethembe nje ukuthi isikeni isibhithana abafana they'll come to the party, but ngiyathemba ezami siyabopha siyabuya sifunike eAfrica Bafethu akuna chance amaZulu afike ngesikhathi esiblind so banqamuli sure.
And the score?
Ngizobabamba yana nge-3-1 or 3-papa 3-0 kahle kahle.
Lero bana uzokona.
William Kayo Mabasa 1 uRebukile Nyamuzwa nayo khona. Eli1 lizobuya from one of ama defenders of lapha esiswini nje kanjalo yabona. Ila mabhola azovena nje. Yabona kanjalo sure. sekusile manje bafethu sekunjalo amabhakani asekusele kubo ukuthi benze nani machitani silandelele nibonize kanjalo subscribe bafethu nisikhulise bafethu so cover igame yebhakani yaFalachi ntambama kanjalo seseshaka King Shaka vele kanjalo eMdubai siyabonga
Danke.
Amafenzi wethu TV, we are here, we have landed, we are at the King Shaka International Airport. Sesifikile bafethu eThekwini. We are here for the Orlando Pirates and AmaZulu game at Moses Mabhida bafethu. Let us know, who do you think is gonna win tonight? Who's gonna win? Who's gonna win? Who's gonna win? And don't forget to subscribe here on Amafenzi wethu TV to watch more videos bafethu. We are covering all the fixtures. We are covering all the fixtures bafethu. Subscribe. Let us know who's taking it, who's winning. We saw Izolo bafethu. Sundowns won the end of the semifinals. Who's winning? Who's winning today bafethu? We are here. Amafenzi wethu TV. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to visit netbankcup.co.za. Thank you.